Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Nuraini Fatiha binti Razali from Agricultural Biotechnology, metric number BAAL 200596553. Today I want to talk about plant protection. What is plant protection? Plant protection is the practice of managing weather, weeds, pests and diseases that damage or inhibit the growth of fruit, vegetables and other horticulture crops. Proper crops protection is important to produce higher quality crops with minimal wastage. Let's check it out. First, crop rotation, aka intercropping. If you want to grow the same crops regularly, you will need to rotate them. Different crops need particular nutrients in the soil and use this up to the particular level in the ground. At the same time, each kind of plant attracts its own particular pests and diseases, which soon become established around the crop. If you grow the same kind of crop in the same place, seasons after season, the nutrients that the plant need quickly exhausted and the plant grow weak and stunted and quickly come under attack from waiting pests and diseases. Second is plant disease management. Diseases are an important part of crop protection, but it's a little bit difficult to understand in the field. This is partly because the causal organisms such as bacteria, fungi, viruses and nematodes, they are very small and cannot be seen moving around like insects or rats. The most important first step in thinking about diseases is to realize that diseases must be managed, not controlled. What is the difference? Management means a complete set of activities that support each other. Management also means that these activities are carefully planned and are implemented over several seasons, not controlled within a single season. Management included control method for prevention and control method to slow down epidemics. Diseases will never be completely eradicated, only population reduced to very low level. This means that we can develop an integrated disease management program or quarantine the plants that cause disease. We also can use disease-resistant plants. The third one is weed management. Weeds reduce yields by competing with the plants for sunlight, moisture, and soil nutrients. Weeds may affect farming in many ways. For example, fertilizer applied may not increase yields in weedy field because weeds absorb nutrients more effectively than many rice plants. Also, weeds are harmful because they may be alternate hosts for insects and disease pests of the main crops and provide shelter for rats. Usually the weeds problem is more serious in a dry land. Control measures have always been adopted to reduce weed infestation at certain phases of the crop cycles, but never to bring about a sustainable reduction of the infestation. In order to know when is the right time to implement it, the control method to reduce weed species productivity. Knowledge is required concerning weed productivity, time of germination, and the period of fruit setting of first vegetative organs. These studies also provide information on the negative or positive influence of certain biotic and abiotic factors on weed growth and development. Weed management must focus on the control of weed species, not only to avoid competition, but also to prevent future buildup of weed, seed banks in soil, and eventually reduce it. That's all from me. Thanks for listening.